Planes fly slower today than in 1960, yet tickets cost 80% less. 1960, the Boeing 707 crossed the Atlantic at 525 knots. Today's flight? Only 500 knots. The first steam engines? 99.5% waste. James Watt fixed a toy steam engine. Suddenly, 6-month treks became 6-day train rides. 1884, the first gasoline engine with electric ignition. 1939, the first jet, trading efficiency for raw speed. Inside a modern jet, it's 2,000 degrees Celsius. The 707 burned 7,200 kilos per hour. A modern 737? Only 2,400. Not faster, just 70% more efficient, from 0.5% efficiency to nearly 50%. A 30,000-part puzzle. Only 5 nations can build these engines. 14 years from paper to runway. A ticket that cost $3,000 in the 70s is now $600. The trade-off for flying slower? Affordable flights for 4.5 billion people.